welcome back to another vlog. It is Friday. Yeah, it's Friday and I just finished getting ready, or just ready for today, because all we're doing is going grocery shopping. So there's no need to get dolled up. But I just finished my quiet time. You saw me make my to-do list, so you kind of know what's going on today. But right now I am about to go on Pinterest and I'm going to make our weekly menu. I usually don't go shopping. I don't know, our schedule has changed so much, so I haven't had a set routine for grocery shopping, but we're just taking it as it comes. It's 10 o'clock right now and I would like to leave by 11:30 just to get there. So I'm gonna plan out our meals and we're gonna get the day going. And we actually are having a tropical storm coming. So I wasn't planning on going grocery shopping until next week. But we have a tropical storm coming, so I'm gonna go grocery shopping, and I'm probably not gonna be able to get a lot of this stuff because I'm late to the game. The storm is coming Sunday or Monday, that time frame, and today is Friday. But we're not going to fret. We're gonna get what we can and we'll let the Lord provide whatever we need. So I'm gonna sit here and do that. I have Pinterest up for some meal ideas, and we're going to start doing our menu and we're going to start making our grocery list. Okay, so sorry for the bad lighting. It is about to storm outside. But I just finished the meals. See it. Really I just have dinners because a lot of times Christian takes leftovers for lunch for work, and so then usually I just find something around the house. Sister, what's up? What you doing? What you doing? Where you going? Hey, look at me. Look at me. Sit. Look at me. Look at me. Look. Show them what you have. What do you have? A Kong. Is that yours? Is that your Kong? It is. Can I have it? No? Can I have it, please? No, please? I'll throw it for you. Can I have it? No? Okay. Okay. Look at that tail wag. Okay. Bye. Have a good day, sir. Look at you. What you doing? Look at me. Oh. What you doing? Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if y'all can see that. The camera does not do it any justice. That is black. Let me go outside. Yeah. And whoa, let's see. I actually woke up this morning to let the dogs out and it was 70 degrees. Oh, y'all, I thought it was raining. It's just our vacuum started. A little robot vacuum. I was so confused. I was getting kind of scared. I was like, what is it then? But what's up? No, I gotta close the thing.
French bread, good.
I'm making 2 meals with it though, because when I say they were busy, I mean it wrapped around the entire store into the meat department.
Nice.
So I think she deserved it. Just in case somebody else didn't tip her whatever.
Oh, he didn't get Sarah Lee.
They didn't have it. I got what they had.
Fake.
Alright, you guys, we just got back from cleaning and painting the youth room, and I'm starting supper. It is like 9 o'clock, but this is what time I got back. We're having au jus French dip sandwiches, and it's something quick and easy. She's in the shower right now, and I got bread toasting. I got things going. But yeah, cooking dinner.
Maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home.